My dad farted. Everybody thinks he smells gross except for him. The weird kid who likes feta cheese, who also has gas whenever he eats feta cheese. He's so weird. And also, we're going on a road trip. Let's go to the beach. What's they gonna say?
And he likes eating
Click. What's they gonna say?
chicken. He likes eating chicken enchiladas.
Chicken enchiladas are good.
And then the red sauce, and he uses it as makeup.
Ew, that's gross.
Yeah, that's true, guys. And then they're all in his face. My brother farts in the night.
Yeah, he farts and smells like a skunk farted. It's like an egg salad threw up on a fart.
And then once
he farted and then died because he died from the stinky smell of fart.
let me say something.